It is almost midnight and I look like crap because I have had the longest day today. I woke up at 5 to get a pedicure. Then my dad picked me up and we went to Ljubljana to a photography show called Dan Fotografije. There's basically all the brands there kind of like presenting their new products, and there's also quite a few talks, presentations, workshops. The talks were actually really great. I was really impressed with them all, but I felt like imposter all day because I was like surrounded by like professional photographers and videographers, and you know, then there was me. On one hand, it was great to like hear the talks and see how far I've come from shooting in auto, not knowing any functions of the camera, to now knowing all the lingo, the technical stuff, and I feel like my photography has improved tremendously in the past few years. But yeah, sitting there just made me feel a bit crap because there were people my age there who are making full-length movies and getting published in National Geographic, and yeah, it just makes you feel really old and kind of very late to the game. I also went there to check out a potential new camera. I have finally decided to upgrade. I have officially overgrown my camera that I've had for the past 8 years. It's like a starter DSLR, and Nikon, which is the brand that I'm loyal to. My dad made me loyal to it, but now that I have all the lenses that I, by the way, really love, I'm sticking to it because, you know, I don't have the money to buy like a brand new kit from like start to finish. But yeah, Nikon is releasing 2 new mirrorless cameras which are supposed to be great for photo and video. All the reviews I've seen sound right up my alley. Minus the fact that it doesn't have a flip out screen, but I'll save you all the technical details because I'm pretty sure 99% of you are not interested in what I'm talking about right now. The point is, I am upgrading the camera. The one that I want, which is Z6, is not out yet. It comes out at the end of November. I saw the Z7 today, which is pretty much the same. The Z6 is better for video though. I'm gonna pre-order it tomorrow. My heart is already breaking because so expensive, guys. All the add-ons are very expensive as well, but it's just something that I have to do at this point. Photography is also sometimes paying my bills, so I feel like I can justify it. That was a very long monologue about the cameras you probably didn't want to hear, so I'm sorry. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Today I am off to Ljubljana again. I was there yesterday for a meeting, and today I'm off for another meeting with a fellow blogger, Nika, who is organizing a conference for bloggers. I think this is like the 3rd year or maybe even the 4th year in a row. Unfortunately, I was never able to attend because I was living in London, but this year I'm back and I'm going. And then I'm meeting up with my sister to go watch The Star is Born in the cinema. I'm so excited to see it. It's the movie with Lady Gaga. Then I'm gonna go grab some lunch slash dinner as well, because it's gonna be like, what, 8, 7 when it finishes. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Thoughts?
Great.
Just great?
Yes.
Okay. Not in a chatty mood today. We're just having dinner. What are you having?
Chicken.
With cashew nuts?
What did you do?
No.
With cashews and rice and vegetables.
And I have a vegan burger with an like almond patty, I think, and some fries. Basically, the movie was really great, but I don't remember the last time I cried so much during the movie. Like when it finished, like the whole theater like kept sitting, like everyone, and just like crying for like 5 minutes and then laughing because everyone was crying. If you haven't seen the movie yet, definitely go see it because it's incredible, and I feel like the world will finally see how talented Lady Gaga is. And I feel like a lot of the story is actually hers. Like I've been following her life kind of, and like there's a lot of similarities. So yeah, I loved it. I'm very full now, but the burger was really good. So if you're looking for a good vegan burger, go to PDC, which is like a shopping district in Ljubljana. And the stand, I took a picture, is called Radha Govinda. I think that's how it's pronounced. I feel like it's Indian or something. Now I'm off to catch a train and yeah, back in my hometown maybe tomorrow. If you don't hear from me again, it's because I died. I am off to practice driving and I'm freaking out. I survived! So you're not getting rid of me just yet, and I just bumped my camera into my window. So sorry about that if you heard it. Yeah, I was really stressed out, but it was actually all right. It wasn't as bad as I thought. My parents have switched to automatics while I was gone, so I was driving an automatic for the very first time, and I was a little bit worried about like the transition, but it's actually really easy. There's a lot less things to worry about, and if I will be able to, I will be driving automatics for the rest of my life. But yeah, went to practice in front of a shopping center because there's like a really big parking and there's no one there, so I was practicing there, and then my dad tricked me and took me on the road, so I was like driving up and down my hometown, which yeah, it was all right. Oh my god, I bumped the camera into the window again. It was totally fine. I wasn't even stressed out at the end anymore, so I think local roads will be fine. I just need to like go through all the signs again because I probably forgot a few rules, so I need to go over the rules and then I think I'll be good. However, there is one major concern that I have: parking. I don't know how I'll ever be able to park. Like, how the hell do you get a car between two lines in a straight fashion? Or like even worse, reversing back. Oh my god, I'm not sure how I'll ever be able to do it. So this is the behind the scenes of what you then see on my blog and Instagram. Just in case you're interested how that looks like. Not glamorous at all. I feel like a kid on a Christmas day right now because look what I got. Hello, beautiful babies. Welcome to the fam. As you probably already know, I'm obsessed with La Roche Posay. And these are the 4 products that were kindly sent to me from the PR. I got the Cero Zinc. This is basically a zinc sulfate solution to cleanse and soothe your skin. This works like a tonic, I would say, but it's really interesting because you spray it on. I haven't actually tried this yet, but I definitely will on my T-zone. I'm one of those lucky people who have combination skin, which means that I have extremely dry cheeks and an oily T-zone. Fortunately, I have never had proper acne, but I do get spots. They're mainly hormonal, but yeah, you can like see them on my face right now. So I need skincare that combats both issues, dry skin and oily skin. Anyway, let me show you the rest of the products that I got. These are all from the Effeclar DUO range. This one is basically a day/night cream, supposed to unclog pores and work really well with preventing scars and like redness when you get the spots. We also have a tinted moisturizer, I would say. It basically has like the same/similar benefits to this cream, but it is also tinted, so it's supposed to even out your skin tone a little bit and function as like a very light daily foundation. I'm gonna go for the light one because I think the medium might be too dark for me. I'm not sure if I should save it for the summertime/December when I'm going somewhere hot, or if I should give it away to one of you. Let me know if any of you have skin prone to spots and would normally go for like a medium shade type of foundation. I think this would suit like olive type of skin tones, like the Mediterranean type. So yeah, let me know, and if there's gonna be any people who want to test it out, I might pick one of you and send you the product so you can tell me your thoughts as well. We can both test it out. I'm also actually gonna get my sister to test this out because she's been having some skin issues lately. She wants to try this tinted moisturizer for today. She's going to the cinema, so let's see how she likes it. Hello there.
Hello.
So first impressions?
I like it.
It actually looks really nice on camera.
I mean, I don't think it actually covers up, but
a whole lot. It's a more like a BB cream.
Yeah.
It's like a tinted moisturizer.
It looks super orange when I put it on.
Okay.
But then
I think it looks fine now.
It's not orange.
No.
Wanna do a close-up? of my Rudolph nose.
I'm gonna like scan your face like.
Oh no.
And this is the close-up. I'm gonna give you a proper review of all these products that I'm going to try when I try them properly. Usually with skincare, I like to give myself at least a month. So stay tuned for a proper review. I'll probably do it on my blog, so make sure you follow it. Or you can also subscribe to my newsletter below. I'll have all the links in the description box. Yeah, I need to start writing like a monthly newsletter for those of you who want to be notified of what I do on my blog as well. Oh, actually, I have another thing that I wanted to show you. I almost forgot about. I also got a new pair of glasses. Not sure if you'd even notice that they are different because, surprise, surprise, they are exactly the same. They're from Firmu, which is the company I've been getting my glasses from for the past like 10 years now. They're really affordable compared to others. So if you know what kind of models suit your face shape, definitely do give them a go. But yeah, I actually got the same pair because I love these so much, and lots of people seem to love them as well, because everywhere I go, people always ask me where I got them or give me like compliments. So I decided to go for the same pair. The only thing that's different is the prescription, because I got a little bit more blind on the right eye recently. This is how they look like. They're the same. I just feel like they are this turquoise print is a bit like lighter, whereas with these you can't see the yellow camel-ish specks that much. I actually preferred the old ones, but I really love their shape. I'm gonna see if I have any discount codes, because you always got like 5 discount codes I think with every order. So if I find the code, I think it should be for 50% off. I'm gonna link it below as well. Write it below, not link it, write it. I'm off to hang out with my doggy now and edit this video. Thanks for watching again. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers, which is really, really exciting. Anyway, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.